What's up, guys? It's Nathan here again, and today I'll be doing a part 2 of my card creator. And I made 2 today as well as yesterday. Yesterday I made 2, and today I made 2. And yeah, changed my background. I have the hiccups. My thing is on extremely low battery. But yeah. So, like I said, if you want this app, it's called CR Card Creator. Yeah, that's what I use. So shout out to you guys. So yeah. So my first card is the King, legendary. Sorry, it's a troop. The King exits his building and attacks with a huge cannon. Once his health is gone, he scatters back to his tower. Hit points 600, damage 170, ground tower damage 150, hit speed 1.4 seconds, targets ground, range 7. I should have ground and flying because almost all the shooting things can shoot from things from the sky too. It's 8 elixir, and we're gonna go to my other card. Level 1 banana. It's an epic. It's a spell. 4 elixir. Heals anything that is in the circle. Like how a rage has a circle, kind of like that. Slowly, but a big circle. So, like, I don't mean literally anything, but like not the other troops, like the people on the other side, but your people, and the buildings and all that, everything. So yeah, the boost 2.5, range 7. That's how big the circle is. Target air plus ground. Sorry. Deploy time 1.5 seconds. So yeah, guys, those were my custom cards. I hope you liked them. Like I said, if you want to make cards like those, download that app. Sorry for the hiccups, guys. Shout out to Mobyson for helping me make this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.